It is 7:30. March 31st, the end of the month. Beautiful day out here, beautiful temperature. You see the skies are very dark. Lots of clouds, but it had rained out here. You see the ground is wet. I miss the rain. I love to see the rain. You can see over east. It's dark, but you can still see the buildings. And let's see, you can see the Empire State Building way out there. It's way out there. That light makes it hard, right under the light. See if you can see it. Now you can see it. Empire State Building. Way out there, under the light.